Hey everyone, welcome back, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a Plotly Dash app similar to the one you're seeing on the screen here using Claude and also Dash MCP as a tool within Claude. And then I'm also going to show you how to publish this app to Plotly Cloud, the free account, so then you can share it with others. All right, so let's get started. This is very recent new capabilities within the Plotly Dash world. So what you're going to need is, in this case, we're using Claude Desktop. And you're going to need this link right here that I'm going to share under the video to connect this to your Claude connector, to your Claude Desktop. All right, so let's get started. Open Claude, go to your Customize section, go to Connectors, and then we're going to delete this one so I can show you how to do it. This is the one we need to add. And we're going to add a new one, add custom connector. We're going to call it Plotly Dash Documentation. And we're going to add it right here. This link right here, which is the MCP of the Dash docs. Add. And now you're going to have to connect it. In order to connect it, it seems like it's already connected, but what you're going to have to do when this is the first time is log into your Plotly Cloud account, which you can open for free if you don't have it. I'll put the link under the video, and just connect to your Plotly Cloud account. Give it about a minute, and then you'll be able to, by default, it will be on stop, but you'll change everything to always allow. So Claude has access to this MCP. Now that we're done, we can go into a new chat and we can start building the Dash app. So this Plotly Dash app is sitting on top of this FIFA World Cup 2022 data set from IRN 486 on Kaggle. So I downloaded the CSV sheet and I put it in my folder. And I'm going to tell Claude, I'm going to give it this instruction. Let's go to Claude. And we're going to say, could you help me build a Dash app using the Plotly Dash documentation connector, the one we just connected? I need your help building an app that helps me understand the FIFA 2022 World Cup matches. So actually what we need to do, I'm going to stop it for a second because I forgot to add, let's add the data set. Let's create a new chat. Add the data set first. Here's my files, 22 CSV sheet. And we're going to say the same thing. Okay. So it's going to ask for access. It's going to realize that it has a Plotly Dash documentation tool, right? The one we connected. And it's going to realize it has a CSV file. So it's going to ask me for access to that tool if I haven't given it access yet. I think I already told it to feel free to access that tool, like always approve, so it should work. Now it's going to install all the dependencies it needs, like Plotly library, the open source Dash library, pandas, and it's going to build the app for us. Let's fast forward a little bit. All right, folks, so we have the app that Claude built for us, and it actually gave us instructions. It said pip install dash Plotly pandas, and then run the file. So we're going to do that. First of all, I'm going to copy all of this, the whole code, go into PyCharm, and I'm going to erase the last app that I did. I'm going to save it. My FIFA World Cup CSV sheet is in the same folder, right? And we're going to say here, upload, we're going to erase this. The CSV is in the same folder. There we go. And then we're going to install, if you haven't installed the libraries that you need, you just have to activate your virtual environment. If you don't know how to create a virtual environment, just go on ChatGPT or Claude or Google and say how to create a Python virtual environment. I think I'm using Python 3.11, and then just do pip install dash and pandas, and once it's done, you should be ready. And then we can do Python app.py, and it's going to run this app file. Now let's make sure it works, and if it has any errors, we're going to try and fix them. So let's move right here and go all the way down. Perfect. It seems like we don't have any errors. Let's play around with something. Let's move myself here, and we'll open this error thing. No errors. Good. We're looking at this tab that has goals by tournament stage, top goal scoring teams. I actually like this app better than the last app that we created and then we already terminated. So we're going to top goals, average goal scores. We have these 4 tabs. Oh wow, we used a polar chart and a butterfly graph. A little bit of an overlap here, but this is pretty cool. Argentina and France. We can see passes completed, and the compare between the 2 goals and total shots for the whole tournament, and then a scatter explore, and we see no errors. So this is great. I kind of wish there was an error so I can show you how to fix it. But that's great. Claude is very powerful. And here we have total shots. England has the highest number of percentage of possession and the highest goal scored. Well, actually Spain. So really, really cool app. Now that we have our app from 2022, FIFA World Cup, we're going to deploy it to the cloud. So we're going to click here. We're going to see Plotly Cloud because I want to share this app with others. So I'm going to deploy it on my team, Adam Shorter's team. I'll show you, I'll put the link to the Plotly Cloud under the video so you can open an account. It's completely free. You just need your email address. You'll generate your own team by default, and then you can upload your Dash app to the cloud and share it with others. We can actually go to the cloud account and you'll see that it's being built. You see, building. Let's go into settings and we'll go into sharing and we'll say anybody with a link can access. It's going to be open to anybody that has this link. And we're going to, this is the link. We can customize the link and give it a different name, but I'm just going to leave it as this for now. And the FIFA app, we'll call it FIFA app 2022. We'll create one in 2026, but for now it's FIFA app 2022. Let's go back to our Dash apps. And perfect, we see that it's done. So we're gonna go, this was really quick. I think you can see that it's done even here. There we go, app live. We can view the app here. I already opened it in a different place, so waking up. And now, oh my God, this is so cool. And now we have our app. We have our tabs, we have our summary cards, we have drop down to select our teams. This is a really, really nice app that would have taken me probably about 4-5 days to create, and everything was created with us, for us, using Claude and the latest Dash MCP. And now I can share it. I can take this link, I'll put it under the video, so you can actually access this app. I hope you enjoy this video. Always remember, we're better together, so help each other out. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. This link of the Dash MCP is going to change, most likely. And as soon as it changes, I'm going to add it as a first comment, this link right here. I'm going to add it as a first comment to the video so you have the updated, the most up-to-date link. All right, everybody, play around with this app, have fun, and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. Have a good one.